As an artist, Yupo paper has been like painting on a different animal compared to traditional watercolor paper. For those who haven't tried it yet, Yupo is a synthetic paper that doesn't absorb water like traditional watercolor paper. This creates a playground for your colors. It's incredible how vibrant the hues turn out and the way the paint moves and interacts on the surface. It's like magic. You can blend, redo, and wipe away mistakes without worrying too much, which gives you more freedom to experiment and take risks in your painting process. But be aware, Yupo can leave a bit of stain. Even if you wipe it off completely with a magic eraser, it might still leave a bit of stain with certain staining colors. So keep that in mind. So I found that on Yupo, I can layer paint in a way that feels almost like the colors are emerging from the paper itself. But you have to work carefully. After each layer dries, you need a delicate hand when applying the next, or you risk scraping off that previous layer. It really pushes you to slow down. So as a mom, I appreciate Yupo for a completely different reason. It's forgiving. And with a young child around us, sometimes I don't have long stretches of uninterrupted time. But with Yupo, you can always come back and make adjustments. It allows me to embrace the imperfections and spontaneity, much like life as a mother. And I love how this paper encourages you to let go of control. With traditional watercolor paper, I would always feel the pressure of getting things right the first time. Although now I don't think this way as much, but with Yupo, it's okay to mess up, wipe it away, and start over. Plus, it gives you that fluid, drippy texture that became a signature element in some of my most colorful pieces. However, I've also noticed that earthy, granulating colors don't always sit well on Yupo when you paint portraits. They tend to look muddy, so I prefer to work with bright, bold hues when using this paper. Some of the paintings that I love most on Yupo are those with a fluid, impressionistic feel. There's a certain romantic quality about how the colors blend and drip into one another. I've even used Yupo in a few portrait commissions and the results were beautiful. The vibrancy and the soft flowing nature of the paper bring a fresh, dreamy vibe to portraits of children, wives, and other loved ones. If you're curious to see more, you can check out my Skillshare class where I dive deeper into watercolor portraiture using Yupo. I'll leave the link in the description below. It's currently the only class where I show my full process, so don't miss it. And if you're interested in commissioning a portrait, I've also included the details for that in the description. So whether you're an artist looking to break free from control or a parent searching for a more flexible creative outlet, I really recommend trying Yupo. It's one of those tools that offers endless possibilities, and while it can be unpredictable, that's part of its charm. Remember, your art doesn't always have to be perfect. It can be a reflection of the moment, whether chaotic or calm. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried Yupo paper before, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Okay, until next time, take care. Bye bye.